Hey friends, it's Simon Hurley and
Rina K.
And we are here on my YouTube channel today. Rina is taking over the podcast for today on her channel, so be sure to click that down below to listen or watch. And also you can check out Apple Podcasts to hear the podcast if you're going out and you want to download it, which is really awesome as well. Now today on my channel, we are doing a fun challenge, which we always love. And Alicia's going to tell us the rules. It's going to be kind of a timed challenge, and there's also some fun things with these boxes of supplies.
Yes, so we call this challenge Kitchen Sink, because I don't know if you've ever heard of a kitchen sink cookie, but that's when they just add everything but the kitchen sink. And in theory, that's what we're doing with a card. So Alicia has picked out a bunch of random stuff in these boxes, and we have to make a card project using all of it. So Alicia, would you like to go over the rules?
The rules: you must use one stamp from every set. Second rule: you must use all your inks at least once. And rule number 3: you have to stencil with the stencil you were given.
Okay.
Everything else is up to you.
Also, we have to do this all in under 20 minutes. So I'm going to just roll these up right now because I know I'm about to get sweaty again, but I'm super excited. We haven't done this challenge yet, and I'm ready to go.
Let's get started.
Okay, Rina, in your box are all my sets.
Perfect. Just what I wanted to use. Ooh, okay, so we're using this Frisky Felines. I know your set. I've used this set. Okay, super cute. This is Snowbirds, am I right?
I love that one.
Snowbirds. Okay, so we're incorporating birds and cats. Ooh, and then pop art flowers and stippled flowers. Oh man, I'm going to have a lot of different moods going on here. Yeah, great options. And then the Whisper Amalgam ink. Very interesting choice. Paired with, appropriately, Orange Glow and Blaring Blue Electropop neon inks. So
nice.
We'll see how this goes.
And in Simon's box,
Awesome.
all of your stamp sets
Perfect.
and inks.
So we have WOOF, is the gray color, Rosy Cheeks. We have LATOR, and then we have the STARGAZER stencil. See, I know the names.
All of us are well versed.
We have Dudes 2, and then Space Training. Wow, you gave a lot of options. Love it.
Oh, I love that one.
And then here are some of the new stuff. So this is Wild Waves, which is a fun background stamp, and then the Surf's Up stamp set as well.
Oh.
So excited.
Oh,
We can
wow,
kind of
this is
mix
a
and
lot.
match, which is cool.
All right, well, I guess all we can do now is get into it. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was a long
Go.
countdown. Okay, let's
geez.
see.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do Wild Waves.
I
love this.
kind of like the idea of having this looking like it's going down a tunnel and then having a little cat head
Oh my gosh,
just
that's
sticking in the
adorable.
middle. I kind of want to do that. Okay, let's get started.
Okay. So this stamp set's fun because the center of the background stamp pulls out, so you can use the waves separately, you can use one at a time, and I think I'm going to do one at a time and make like a colorful background full of them.
All right, so I'm going to make a background pattern using a feather, a paw print.
I forgot I only had these colors. You really gave me
Oh,
some-
you really don't have any.
Designers.
So we're going to have
Wow.
a nice green radioactive wave.
Yeah, really. Wow. Okay, wait. I don't know if I want to do this now. Wait, let me put this background back. Let's use this Stargazer. We'll do some like pink stars.
Okay, I am going to do a whisper feather. What this is going to look like.
So I'm just going to go in here and add some of the stars down. Blend it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'll pick it up and I'm going to move the stencil and then add the green in as well.
I'm adding some very faint feathers over here, and I'm stamping them very poorly.
Yeah, you really gave her a great color.
It's okay. It's just like, you know.
Barely there.
Yeah, Whisper, I think it's called. Yes.
Oh, there's another one called Barely There.
Barely
right?
There, yeah, that one's like the nudes. Oh, Alicia, we don't have the tidy towels wet. I have to use a dry, crusty tidy towel.
Let me get your tiny.
Oh, nice. I like that. It's better than mine.
Do you like how it's
better
gonna
than
look with a blaring blue paw print?
Oh my gosh,
We're using what we can, guys.
Wow, I forgot that I had 20 minutes. I should probably hurry this up.
That's cool. What is that?
Thank
Did you
you.
do that
I
like
did-
quarter turn thing?
Yeah, I
again?
did the STARGAZER, and then I turned it just a little bit, and then you can add colors in between. I'm not sure how I like the pink and green stars, but we're gonna have to live with it.
I like it. Mine looks like Blue's Clues. It's like the weirdest fever dream of different products.
Oh.
Look at the feathers. I can't get over the feathers. This pop art flowers, everything like goes together. Do I have to use the guide for this? Oh my gosh.
You just have to use one stamp from every.
I think I'm just
Wait,
gonna
we have to use one stamp from every set?
Simon, you gotta pay attention to the rules.
I thought it was one stamp set that we had to use. Whoa, okay, wait, we're changing up the whole design here. I was like, why are you throwing all this together? Okay, now this makes sense.
Because I listen to directions.
Okay, wait, so now I have to throw these in too. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do a sentiment from this.
You could throw a balloon on there and that would work. Or just the body. The body would be funny. Just do the body. Oh my god.
Wait, I'll do... What the heck? Oh, I have such a good idea. Okay, well, this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna stamp... This is WOOF. WOOF. That was so bad.
So funny. Okay. Done with that one. None of these stamps have, the one I just threw actually has a little bit of detail. Give me a sec.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, so this is all from Space Training, and then I'm gonna go in with the Surf's Up stamp set. I'm so glad. My stamp sets just have a bunch of little images in them, so they're really easy to like use together. So look, we're gonna throw on the sunglasses onto that little pop. What? Oh, it's pixie spray. I was like, are you using hairspray?
No, unfortunately not. Okay, so I think I am going to just put this, I guess, in the center.
I did not know what you were doing. After you yeeted the die cutting plate, you just never know anymore.
Kind of lost track of what I was doing. Okay, we're gonna go right here.
Okay.
Hope that's centered.
So that's kind of adorable, the little sunglasses on that little dude.
I guess I'm using Orange Glow, because I feel like that's
Okay.
the only color I can use with this. Oh, and it's the smallest brush I own, too! This is gonna take the rest of the time I have.
I'm gonna do happy birthday and love that we only have these colors, so I'm gonna stamp it in. Let's stamp it in green, because I feel like that's a little bit more masculine. Perfect.
I'm stressed. And I don't know how to use this stencil. I guess, I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do on the inside here. I guess it'll just be all orange.
I think one of the really cool things about like grabbing product or like having somebody choose your products, even if you do this at home, which is kind of fun, like tell your family to choose your products, because I feel like it's cool to use things and like have to use things that might not coordinate perfectly, and then you have to kind of stretch your imagination because
Or might not coordinate at all.
and then you just have to stretch your imagination and like see, oh, if you could use like a background stamp as just a texture with like an ink blended background, I think that's kind of cool too. So we're going in and doing some fussy cutting.
You're brave for doing that on a time limit.
Oh my gosh, I saw your Instagram post. You're doing fussy cutting
It was
to honor Simon.
very hard, and that was the only part that I really messed up.
Oh my gosh.
And it was unfortunate, but you know, I couldn't just stop. I like it. I've only done it on like one other image, I think, in my life, and it was one of Alicia's sets actually that I did it on.
But my images are pretty easy to cut out. Like they're pretty solid lines, so it's not too difficult. And I always leave a border and say, hey, if you mess it up, nobody's gonna notice.
No. Oh wow. Okay, so that is.
That's bright.
Yeah, it's hard to focus. So let's see how I can tie this into this background. Oh my gosh, I think I need another paw print.
Actually, let's see how Simon can tie in that background. Switch places.
Love this. Love this.
Have fun with this. Oh, you have to finish
Let's do this thing.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
See, you have that good image. Look, the little sunglasses on there is so good. Okay, wait.
I'm gonna pick up on his fussy cutting now.
Wait. Okay, so what I'm gonna do.
How do I work with this? What do you need?
Oh, there we go. Okay. No, this is gonna be easy, I feel like. Wait, maybe I spoke a little too soon. I feel like you had an idea in your mind.
The funny thing is I didn't. If you couldn't tell from that background. I was just going with it. I was seeing what the art
Okay, so.
would have me do. So I need to use the wave now?
I think, does she have to use the background stamp too?
Yep, you have to use one of everything.
Okay, well, I'm gonna add some waves down
What did you not use?
I used everything.
Oh, perfect.
I used all the stamps already. They're all on the background.
So I just
As
have
you
to
can
coordinate
see.
everything together?
Yeah, as best as you can. Tie it all together. All right. How do I, does this stick to an acrylic block?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
If you wanted to, or you could just use it with your hands.
This. Oh, I can use my hand?
Believe it. No. It's not going to stick to your hand, but you can
Oh.
like hold it if you want to. But I feel like the acrylic black will do better.
Probably. Okay. Well, we're going to use a wave on this because it's the only place I see it working. And do a pink wave. I like pink.
Wow. We love that. That actually doesn't look bad.
It actually
what
doesn't
the
look good.
heck? Wait, that's not awful.
Put a cat in the middle.
It looks like just some pattern paper with like a little pattern. I'm gonna put a sentiment there. Guys, this is gonna be good. Or a cat.
Backfiring
Wait.
on me. I'm out of here. This is whack.
Okay, we're going with blaring blue.
See, that would have been nice if you had blaring blue. You could have done the wave.
Exactly. The wave could have really worked out. She really tried sabotaging us here.
Are we using this moon? Because I'm going to use this moon.
Okay. So stamp down that little kitty. Have fun. Guys, can we talk about a fun fact? I'm allergic to cats and dogs. But not really though, because like we have 2 dogs, but they're hypoallergenic, so like it's a little bit better.
Oh, okay,
But like,
she's hypoallergenic
but like
too.
I hang around all of them too, but like I'm kind of fine. But yeah, I'm very allergic to cats, so like I'll walk up to cats and get really nice red eyes, which is really great.
I wish I could be allergic to some humans.
Oh my
But
gosh.
unfortunately, I am only slightly allergic to cantaloupe, which is my favorite fruit.
Me
And
too.
like,
Wait,
like
I'm allergic to cantaloupe too.
I would eat it, and then like it would get like red and splotchy around my face.
Oh, love that.
I don't want to rush you guys, but you have 5.5 minutes.
Wait, I'm kind of almost done though.
Good for you.
I'm lacking a little color.
A little bit. I'm
Definitely.
just gonna do
I think
some
she
on
gave
the
me
edge.
some.
I mean,
Gray is a tough color to work with. I usually stamp in black for all my stuff. I love this. Wait, I actually like this. Can we just talk about how like this isn't actually bad? Rina, good job.
please stop. These are lies.
No, that actually looks kind of good. It literally looks like a piece of pattern paper in the background.
It looks like the start of
Something new.
that too.
feels
And
so
it could
right.
be like a future project that you're like, all right, maybe if I thought this out more and changed everything I did, it'll be an actual project.
Well, it was hard to switch because I feel like you've got like a little bit of an idea in your head on what you want to do, and so that was a little bit difficult. But I think it's kind of fun to do like
It
challenges
also
like
took
this.
us 15 minutes to switch chairs.
That is,
We were
that
not
is
planning
very
on
true.
switching chairs.
Take some fun foam squares, guys. My dispenser box is back. We love this thing, Gina. Good job. So I'm gonna just shove down a couple squares all over the place to pop this up. Yeah, the wave in there. She was really trying to sabotage you with that one. It's a cool stamp, but not with the space training.
Yeah, not with this.
That one I originally drew the wave for that mermaid release that I did in the middle of the year, but the product manager said that we didn't want the mermaids to drown because they look like huge waves. So then we decided to go with a surfing set instead. But I love that wave background stamp. It took me a long time because they're hand-drawn little like designs, which is fun. Oh my gosh, just add aloha. Honestly, aloha's funnier with that.
Use a
With a
aloha.
little wave at the back. I forgot about that
Yeah,
wave.
there's a wave. It actually works. It makes more sense now. So you guys can decide who receives this card in the comments below.
After this video, we will be sending these cards to Jennifer McGuire.
Yeah.
We hope she hangs them up in her craft room.
Probably never talk to us again.
Or just go home and hang these up in your mom's craft room. Oh, the ink didn't dry.
I'm gonna ask. Oh, well, that's okay.
Love
I'm gonna
that.
ask my mom. I'm gonna act like this is a totally normal card. Be like, do you think this is good?
Do you think
I
this
should
is
do
good
a
for my next
Like,
video?
and she'll be like, you know, Rina. Aloha.
Here's my finished card. I actually kind of like how that looked. Like, Rina did a good job with the stencil, and then I just cut it out, and it looks like it was a piece of patterned paper behind it, which is kind of fun, honestly.
Yeah, so I was tossed into this card at halfway, and I made the artistic decision to add a pink wave down here, along with some stars and a space dog and moon. So then I added this nice little aloha to tie it all in together, and I think it's pretty rockin'.
I think, okay, I'm kind of glad that we got the switch because I threw you into a mess because I could have chosen better stamps. I forgot that we had to use everything, so like I wasn't thinking about the wave, so I had some fun with that one.
I was really trying to craft this one out. I really thought I was going to be working on this till the end, but then I got dropped into this. But regardless, I think we can all agree that the inks and stamps worked fine.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're
So,
good products.
Say it. There are.
We have lots of videos on both of our channels to prove so. So if you want like more inspiration actually using these products in the right way, be sure to check out the rest of my videos and Rina's videos as well. I'll leave a link down below to her channel. Again, we just kind of have fun in these videos. Our tutorials are on our channel, of course, on how to actually create the cards with our fun products.
So
if you guys try this challenge out at home, be sure to tag us on Instagram with your project. Like have maybe your husband or your kids pick out your supplies, and then you can start crafting and making your card with whatever they sabotaged you with.
Like, this is kind of like a warm-up exercise for a card-making
Definitely.
project. That's how I feel like you could work it. Just get your brain moving, just vomit up whatever this is onto a piece of paper, and then actually make your real project.
I think so too.
I think that is a tip.
All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment down below. We always love chatting with you down there. And be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as check out Rina's channel. And we cannot wait to see you guys in another video very soon. Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye.